Did you see that? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh my days. Right people, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be topwater fishing again with the frogs. Got these from Amazon. You saw them in the last session I did. And I'm going to give it a go again. This video is going to be over 2 sessions. The first session I've already filmed, had a couple of fish. Hopefully we can get some more in this session. I hope you enjoy this one. Let's get straight into it. Reel I'm using is my Fox Rage Prism X 2500. That's got me 16-pound braid, I think it is on. I paired that up today with the Abu Garcia Devil spinning rod. This one is, I've gone with a little bit heavier actually. This is 10 to 30 gram. I think in the other session, which you'll see in this video, I was using the 5 to 15 gram. Same rod, but I've gone for this one today because it's got a bit more backbone in it when I'm setting the hook. Yeah, like I say, I don't know what's happened to them all, but I bought a 5-pack of these frogs after the first session went so well with that Zebco frog. You get 5 of these from Amazon and I think they're about £9. Really good value for money. Obviously they haven't got the legs like the Zebco frog, but they've got these little tails for legs. They work really well. I've had plenty of action on these again, so yeah. Lost one to a snag, one got destroyed, let's throw it in the bin, and the other one is just got a thin wire trace on. Like I say, I did mention it in my last video and it did work. I actually have been bending these hooks out slightly, not loads but just slightly, and it just helps a little bit with the hookup rate. But yeah, I'll put a link to these in the description below, so check them out. Let's get fishing. We've had a real spell of horrid weather recently. A lot of the rain and wind has like pushed all this weed down into these swims. Plenty of rain got into the water, so allowed me to come out pike fishing, try and get some more topwater pike. This weed is like soup. P&M soup is like fully covering. Just show you this. I mean, the frog's not even penetrating the water. Yeah, let's move on. I'll find another spot. You can see, I don't know if you can see that. Oh, fish topping. I don't know if I spooked some big fish. I don't know what kind of fish they were. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my days. Oh, I've got a little hand camera. Yeah. Look how much weed there is. Awesome. That was on a hungry pike. There we go people, another beautiful little jack pike on a topwater frog. This one's a really dark fish. Obviously been sat up in the weed and super aggressive, look at that. Destroyed the topwater frog there. Such an exciting way to fish, so give it a go if you haven't already. But yeah, let's get this fish back and let's try and get some more in this short little session we've got. Happy days. Let's get this little fish back. If you can navigate through that weed, I'm sure it can. There you go. Let's get another one. Quality. What I might do while that's all set up is let's scope out the rest of this swim, because as you can probably tell by that action on the surface just over there. It will be another. Come on, let's just try over there. There's going to be another fish here, surely. Yeah, I don't care what anyone says now. Topwater frog fishing is 100% the best way to fish. Like the buzz you get when it hits the bloody frog on the surface right in front of you is ridiculous. Like you're always hopeful of a fish first cast, but that one, first cast, I didn't even chuck it far. Bam. Fish on. Did you see that? Oh my days. Oh, that's ridiculous. What even is going on? These frogs are getting absolutely annihilated. I can't even tell where that one's hooked. I was really lightly hooked. Hey. Let's go weed off it. Look at that. Another tiny little jack. Such feisty things. I can feel his mouth pulsating. Let's get him back. Thanks for that. Now these frogs were much cheaper and they were from Amazon, but I actually think they're better because I think the little tails on them, they flutter in the water, so it really entices a fish to take the bait. Let's get this back out and see if we can get another. There must be some sort of competition for food under this tree. Oh, shit. They are super fired up tonight. Let's get a fish. After that last session we had down here, come back again, but I brought my heavy set up with the big soft plastic shads on, shallow rigged, in case there's any like weed free areas to try, or if you see any big fish. On the little rod, which I've already had some success on, we've got some more frogs. This time I bought them from Amazon. I got a 5-pack for about £9 I think it was. I'll put a link in the description below. But yeah, that's on the light lure setup. These topwater frogs on this light setup are dead easy to cast and use. So. No! Oh, didn't set the hook, man. Oh, I did set the hook when it just came off. Okay. Oh. I think I'm going to get that fish to come back, but never mind. Oh well, we nearly had a fish on this beast of a lure. Next peg. Oh, what a cast. Fish on, come on. Take it. a half decent fish they followed just before. Oh! That was a good fish, that was a really good fish. Bugger. A little pike. Plenty of little jacks around. Cormorant. He literally just sat sunning himself on the peg down there. It's the beauty of coming out in the morning, you get to see these things. It is, mate.
It'd be worth trying as you work your way back.
Yeah.
On the last match, the lads on, if it's weed free, you know.
Yeah.
The lads on 17 and 18 were mauled to death.
Were they with pike?
Yeah.
I think it's pretty thick down there though, isn't it?
You might just get away with it there.
Is it after the car park? Like you keep going that way?
About 150 yards past the car park, it clears again. Yeah.
Does it? Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
it's all blown upstream with this wind all week.
yeah.
It's been a pain in the arse.
Cheers. Oh, bugger. Just way too early. This wasn't ready. Don't think it felt the hook, so we'll try again. No. Okay, we're coming to the end of this session now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a like. Really appreciate it. Yeah, I'd also be really grateful if you could hit that subscribe button. It's free to do so, and it really helped the channel out. We're trying to hit 1k subscribers. That's the next milestone, and if we could do that, it'd be amazing. I really appreciate you guys for watching, and hope to see you in the next video. Comment down below if you're into your topwater fishing with any tips and advice you've got, or any lures I should try. Thanks for watching again, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Tight lines in your fishing.